Hey guys, this is Logos from Critical Gameware, and today I'm just going to be taking you through a quick tutorial on how to add sockets to your characters for the weapon equip system. Now the sockets will allow you to equip the weapons to the character's hands or to his back, or wherever you prefer. Any character from the marketplace should be using the epic skeleton, which should make this quite easy. So, to open up the skeleton blueprint, I'm using the blue character from the epic templates called Hero TPP. And I double click on the Hero TPP skeleton and it should bring up this blueprint here. Now jump over to the skeleton tab and you'll see this list of bones for the character. And first I want to create a back socket. So the back socket is where the weapon will get equipped to when the weapon is first picked up or when it's deselected. So I'm going to take spine 3, which is this bone here. I'm going to right click on this when it's been selected and I'm going to go add socket. I'm going to call this socket back. Now make sure this socket name is correct because this communicates with the My Character blueprint when you are adding the components to these sockets. So I'm just going to select that socket and I'm going to take it and move it along the y-axis so it sits just beyond the character's mesh, as this is where the weapon will get selected, and so rather than having the weapon inside this guy's chest, I want it just on the outside on his back. Now I wanted to also create a socket for the right hand, so this is where the weapon will be equipped to when it is being selected. So I'm going to take the hand underscore R bone. I'm going to right click on that and select add socket. I'm going to call it right hand with a capital R and a capital H, and again make sure this name is correct because it will communicate with the My Character blueprint. I'm going to select that socket and once again I'm going to readjust its offset from the bone so it sits within this character's hand. And then I'm going to save that, and there you go. It's really that simple. So any character that you use that has been bought off marketplace, or any character that you build that is using the skeleton from Epic, should easily be able to do this, and it should be pretty easy to use these sockets for your own characters as well if you're using a different skeleton. So just demonstrate how this works. I'll jump over back to the My Character blueprint, and in the event graph, this weapon spawn function here, you can see when the weapon has been picked up and it's been spawned, it goes to the socket name back, so it gets equipped to the character's back. That's the socket we just put in. And also over here in the event graph, when I deselect the weapon, it attaches the component to the back. And when I equip the weapon, it attaches the component to the right hand. So this is why we need the socket names to be correct, because it's communicating with these functions and telling the weapons where to go on this character. So there's the back socket and there's the right hand socket. So there you go, you should be able to use that to add sockets to your own characters and get the weapons equipped on those as well. Thanks for watching guys.